Hello, my name's Jair Alcaide, and I've been doing workshops since I got in trouble in the ISS room since I got out of it. So I want to explain as to why workshops are important and why this place is important for me. So I'm pretty sure that y'all can't see this, but in the board it says, what did I learn from the ISS or the workshops that were done in the ISS room? And well, to me, I learned like how to manage my emotions and how to manage things properly without messing them over or screwing them up along the way. So, and I think that that is very important because it like has helped me to deal with situations that a usual high schooler would do and do it in like the nicest way or the most neutral way possible without hurting other people's feelings in the process, or at least hurting them, but like in a way that they can understand what is going on and that they didn't do anything wrong. So it says, why do you think that people should support the workshops? And I believe that it is very important or very crucial for people to support these workshops because in the end, we are the students and we don't got our stuff together. Like, we're messed up just like any human being. We have emotions, and usually the school is like, no, well, you're not here to show them. You're here to like put the mask on and do your work. And like, that's not right. Like, the workshops over here has helped liberate like things that I usually wouldn't. And in the process, it has helped me a lot to deal with my own stuff. So I think that that's the reason why the workshops are very important.